Hi, ladies. Today is May 15th and happy Friday. We are on page 45 in our packet today. We're going to be doing a little bit of review work, talking about the volume of a closet and a suitcase today. And we want to find, if I put that suitcase in the closet, how much room is going to be left. So the closet is 6 feet wide, 5 feet long, and 8 feet tall. If the closet or in the closet, there is a suitcase that is 2 feet wide, 3 feet long, and 4 feet tall. How much room is left in the closet? So thinking about our closet, in order to figure out that volume, we've got 6 feet in width, 5 feet long, and 8 feet tall. And then our suitcase is going to, so our suitcase is 2 feet wide, 3 feet long, and 4 feet tall. So I want to think about, let me do like a little visual here. I can get my color to change. All right, so here's my closet. And basically, inside of my closet, I'm going to be putting a suitcase. So we want to figure out this white portion, all right? We want to figure out what the difference is between the closet and the suitcase to figure out what that white portion is going to be. So our question is, how much is left in the closet? So how much room do we have left, which is going to be that white portion that's represented. So thinking about our volume, remember your formula for volume is going to be length times width times height. So we want to figure out what the volume is of our closet and our suitcase, and then we want to find the difference between those in order to figure out how much space is left in the closet. So go ahead, get this all filled out on your paper, and then also think about what your equation could be. Think about that 5th grade equation and how you could combine the closet and the suitcase into one equation to create just one 5th grade quality equation. Once you're finished, unpause and we'll check together. All right, ladies, so we are on page 45 in your packet, and we are talking about, we have a closet that has a volume of 6 width, 5 length, and 8 height, and then a suitcase that's 2 inches wide, 3 inches, or I'm sorry, feet wide, 3 feet long, and 4 feet tall. And we're trying to figure out kind of what that difference in volume is between our closet and our suitcase to figure out how much space is actually left. So let's start with our closet. So remember when we're finding our volume, we're taking our length times our width times our height. So we have our length is 5, our width is 6, and our height is 8. So first things first, we're going to do 5 times 6, which gives me 30, and then we're going to take 30 times 8. You can either mark the, do standard algorithm by stacking it, or we can kind of just break it apart, figure out what those basic facts are. So 8 times 3, which is 24, and then bring that 0 over to give us a volume of 240. Remember, when we're doing that, it is feet cubed. That little 3 represents cubed. So we have cubic feet. So now let's go on to the suitcase. And for our suitcase, we have a length of 3, a width of 2, and a height of 4. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 4 gives me 24. And again, this is feet cubed. All right. So now what we want to do is we want to figure out if our closet is 240 feet cubed and our suitcase is 24 feet cubed. If I were to find the difference between those, so basically I'm putting this in there, which reduces the amount of space that I have in my closet. So I want to know how much space is left in my closet. So in order to do that, we have to find the difference between the closet and the suitcase. So in order to find the difference, we're going to take our 240 feet cubed and we're going to subtract away the suitcase. Okay, remember you want to make sure that you're lining up those place values, the ones place and the tens place, and then we'll subtract. So we can't do 0 minus 4, so this becomes a 3, and this becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1, and then we have our 2. So basically what this means is if I've got my closet here, and I put my suitcase in here, this portion is going to represent that 216 feet cubed. And then this is my 24 feet cubed. And all together, these should equal 240. So let's check our work, which means we're going to take 216 and add that to 24. And that should give me my entire cubic feet of my closet. 6 plus 4 is 10. 2, 3, 4, and then 2. So we are correct. So the difference between the closet and the suitcase, if I put my suitcase in there, that gives me how much space is left, is going to be 216. And you can either write cubic feet out in words. So this could be one option, or you could say 216 feet cubed with abbreviation, either works. And then let's do our number sentence. So this is where I was talking about you want to make sure that you're doing that 5th grade quality work. You want to put all of this together to create what you're doing. All right, so first things first, we want to make something that goes with the 2 of these. So I want to put together 5 times 6 times 8. And then I want to take 3 times 2 times 4. And what I did with these 2 problems, which is 240 and 24, is I subtracted them. Okay, so I subtracted those 2 amounts. And then that gave me my total of 216 feet cubed. Okay, so make sure that you're using those parentheses to separate the 2 problems, and then you're subtracting them from one another. And it's really important that this one goes first because this is 240 and this is 24, and you don't want to do 24 minus 240 because that wouldn't make sense. So the closet has